Take a ride in the 2018 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, child safety locks, MP3 player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.